1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I was elected to fight for the people of the 3rd Congressional District. That's what I'm doing. That's what this bill does. As a member of the Appropriations Committee, we are using the power of the purse. This bill provides full funding for key Army Corps of Engineers projects in my district, nearly $26 million for projects in southern West Virginia. East Lynn, Summersville, Bluestone, Beach Fork Lakes, all critically important. This bill supports the excellent work of the Appalachian Regional Commission, making a real difference in real people's lives. This bill actually adds an additional $5 million over last year's funding. And this bill also says no to funding for the administration's war on coal, no to expanding the definitions of the water U.S., and no to new regulations on fill material. This is a good bill, and I urge its passage, and I yield back.
Gentleman yields back.